What's up, Doc? I just took these from the garden down the street. They have the best carrots. Did you know that carrots are one of the world's most healthiest foods? Here are my top 5 reasons why you should consume carrots.
Raw carrots acts as a natural toothbrush. This bright vegetable is high in plaque-attacking carotene as well as vitamin A. Carrots are high in beta-carotene. Crunch on carrots to keep your skin healthy and vibrant. Carrots are high in vitamin A, a nutrient essential for good vision. And did you know that carrots have been used to treat skin lesions in Chinese medicine? The calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium in carrots help build strong bones and a healthy nervous system.
Now go buy you some carrots.